Assalamualaikum my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is dialogue. Look, our today's topic is dialogue writing, lecture number 14 and homework number 12. Let's start our topic. Dialogue writing. Dialogue number 1. This is the question. You are Amin. Your JSC exam is near at hand. Your friend Habib meets you. Now write a dialogue between you and Habib about your preparation for the JSC exam. Amin. Good evening, Habib. Habib. Good evening. How are you? Amin. Very well. But I am afraid of the examination. Habib, haven't you completed your courses? My preparation in English is not so well. Amin, don't worry, I am sure you will be able to cover up. How is your preparation in mathematics? Habib, my preparation in mathematics is well. I am afraid I may not do well in English. Amin, English is difficult to all. You have sharp memory and you will do good. But my preparation in mathematics is not good. Habib, practice mathematics more and more. Amin, thank you for your suggestion. Habib, thank you. Okay, start dialogue number 2. Dialogue between two friends about the uses and abuses of mobile phone. Imran, hi Milan, how are you? Milan, fine, and you? Imran, well, because I have bought a mobile phone. Milan, great. Nowadays we cannot pass a single day without it. Imran, right. It has made global communication faster. Apart from talking, we can pay bills, use internet and send messages. Milan, recently introduced Android and Windows phone work like computer. Imran, yes, by using it we can send email and make video call. It has made our life easy and comfortable. Milan, but it has some demerits also. Students waste their valuable time by using it and some become addicted. Imran, excessive use can cause various diseases such as brain cancer, hearing problem and so on. Milan, actually excess of anything is bad. We should use it with care and caution to avoid its dark sides. Imran, thank you for your information. Milan, you are most welcome. Student, your homework is dialogue writing benefits of morning work. Your lecture number 14 and homework number 12. My dear student, hope all you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing and will do your homework and will submit your homework on Sunday. See you again